In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details in an invoice using Zoho Books. Zoho Books is a comprehensive online accounting software that helps you manage your finances and streamline your invoicing process, making it easier for your clients to settle bills promptly. So let's dive right into it. First things first, we need to navigate to the Zoho Books website. Open your preferred web browser and type in zoho.com/books in the address bar. Once you're on the web page, you'll notice the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Go ahead and enter your username and password to sign in. If you're using Google for login, you'll see an option to sign in with your Google account as well. Choose whatever method works best for you. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho Books home dashboard. From here, our next stop is the Settings tab. You'll locate this option typically towards the lower part of the left-hand navigation menu. The settings area is the control center of Zoho Books, allowing you to customize and manage various aspects of your account, including templates. Once you're in the settings section, look for the PDF templates option. Clicking this will show you a variety of template styles that Zoho Books offers for your invoices. Templates are useful as they provide uniformity and a professional aesthetic to your financial documents. Now scroll through the available templates and select the one that best suits your business needs. Once you've found a suitable template, click on Use This. It's a straightforward button that will apply the template to your invoices. Now that you've chosen your template, direct your attention to the Other Details section. This part is crucial as it allows you to add custom information to your invoices, details that might be imperative to your business transactions such as your bank details. Click on Other Details to proceed. Finally, you'll find the option to add your bank details. This is where you'll input the information that enables clients to make bank transfers directly to your account, a vital step in ensuring you receive payments swiftly. Carefully add the required bank details like your account number, bank name, and any other relevant information necessary for a successful transaction. And that's it, you have now successfully added your bank details to your invoice template in Zoho Books. This improvement will sure make receiving payments a more seamless process. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out more resources on our channel. Until next time, happy invoicing.